Well, the attorney for former Dubuque Priest Leo Riley is speaking out just a day after the sex abuse case against his client was dismissed.
Now, authorities maintain that the alleged abuse happened to a number of former altar boys during Father Riley's time back in the mid-1980s at the Resurrection Parish in Dubuque.
And KWWL's Tara Knichny is live in Dubuque now with the latest on this. Tara.
Yeah, this dismissal follows Leo Riley's attorney, Guy Cook's argument that the case violated Riley's legal rights and fell outside of the statute of limitations.
But I'm here to tell you that Father Riley is not only presumed innocent, he is innocent, and these charges have been dismissed with prejudice.
The sex abuse case against Leo Riley has been dismissed. His attorney, Guy Cook, says the statute of limitations expired 4 years after the alleged 1986 abuse.
This case was not dismissed on some technicality. The statute of limitations exists for a reason to protect all of us from unfair and outdated prosecutions.
Cook also criticized investigators for questioning Riley without proper counsel notification. He claims they secretly recorded interviews at Riley's Florida home despite knowing his representation. Assistant Attorney Josh Sims disagreed with Cook on the interrogation issue, but agreed on the statute of limitations' legal impact on the case.
He's right about the statute of limitations. We disagree with his stance on the interrogation issue. But ultimately, his legal analysis was correct on the statute of limitations issue.
The prosecution is disappointed about the legal constraints.
We had a strong case against Mr. Riley, have a strong case against Mr. Riley, but we are prevented by what the law was 40 years ago from pursuing that.
Cook counters that without a trial, statements about proof or evidence are reckless.
Reckless to make a statement that the state could have proved this case and they believe that the evidence supports the claims. That's just not the case.
Father Leo Riley is back in Florida and wants to return to priestly duties despite the case.
He's hopeful he'll be able to return to his work as a priest and pastor in Port Charlotte, Florida. He's got tremendous support in that parish, and he looks forward to working with the diocese there to return to his work as a priest.
One of Father Leo Riley's victims released a statement in response to the case dismissal. He said, quote, "The dismissal of charges in Dubuque County due to an archaic Iowa law does not change what is the absolute truth. Evil escaped justice today, but it is only a matter of time before he is held accountable." The full statement can be found on our website at kwwl.com. Live in Dubuque, Tara Knichny, News 7 KWWL.
Tara, thanks for the update, and this is certainly a case that a lot of people had their eyes on here, but now this case has been dismissed, as Guy Cook pointed out, with prejudice. That means it cannot be brought up again.